allow him to appear in the ruling, because it has been said, and the court has said, any judicial officer in the country can deal with this matter.
That's why he's saying, allow him to appear. I think
he's fearing the tenor and the texture of the language.
No, I think that line was being mixed up a bit. That is why he's saying, allow him to appear
before any magistrate in this country other than this court. I said ground for my other colleagues to use.
It then calls for moral authority from the court to weigh this heavy submission on recusal, so that you don your tools. You are not the only judicial officer in JKIA Chief Magistrate's Court.
Cannot attack a judicial officer from the bar without making a formal application, putting an affidavit, indicating the reasons why a judicial officer.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'm still on my feet.
You just
I'm still on my feet.
Objection, Your Honor.
Did you find him on his feet?
You know what? I've been a CEO of the Law Society of Kenya. Under certain behaviors,
it was a failure that removed you from there. Don't tell us
This is getting personal and you cannot allow this. This is getting personal. The rule is